Today I just wanted to introduce you guys to the connector set, prototyping my one design for my mostly printed wire stripper. This is the motorized version, but it's only in the prototyping stage. This is not the final end result. I can basically take apart everything on here nice and easily and be able to build and construct my design the way I want. So as you can see, I've gotten, I think, 3 of the connectors on Thingiverse now, and with those 3 designs you get the feet, the connector block, and these angle blocks here, and those are just for basically, you could use the square blocks in place of them, but I wanted something just to kind of tie off the top a bit better than what it originally was. But it will accept the 3/4 inch or the 23.5 millimeter EMT conduit. And as you can see, even on these through holes, it goes in nicely. Absolutely great for prototyping. So I'll prototype this machine and then I'll use these in future designs. It'll be my own little block set, you know, for prototyping. As you can tell on my legs though, I have tape wrapping around it, and that's because I accidentally printed my feet a little bit too big. I upscaled it a little too much for my filament. I'm using ABS filament for these prints here. All these files are on Thingiverse. You can download them, resize as you need. I did put a connector tester on there as well. And basically that you just print that one part out first, and then let's see if I can bring it up here. So this guy here is what you'll print out, and that there will be able to you'll be able to use that to gauge whether or not it's going to work for your size of conduit, and then you can scale to whatever version you want. You'll know if you have to upscale it or downscale it. You can even print these out really small for really small rod. Yeah, all depends what you want to do, but it's, I thought the 40 millimeter by 40 millimeter would be a good starting point, and just to build a little bit of a connector set for scenarios like this, and something you can just toss in a box. And then, okay, that awkward moment when you forget to charge your battery up on your camera. So yeah, this will give you a good starting point, and then you can just design your parts as you want, and then build your own mostly printed machines. And you know, that way you only have to worry about your main components, designing those up for your machines or whatever you decide to make. I just wanted something that I could put out there that people could quickly print out, toss in a box, do some prototyping, make whatever they want. And I will be adding more items to the connector set, and I'll do some board mounts and project box designs that we'll be able to add on. Just random little things that I think, you know, people can actually use, because you never know what one person's projects are compared to yours. These motor mounts I might put on there, but when it comes to other designs like my cutter design here, assembly, things like that, I'm not going to be putting up on Thingiverse because that's my design for my project. again, those even, here's the original here, and this is the upgraded new design. If all goes well and you guys try this out and you like it, maybe I'll spend some more time, do some redesigns, and get a little better product going here. The main thing was with like these blocks here, it was just trying to cut down on the filament usage and creating blocks, the same concept. I do have another concept done up that I'll have to print out to see how they work, if they're going to be strong enough, but just to cut down on that filament use. So if you have any questions or comments, please post below, and if you print out these, let me know what you think of them, and send me a link to your projects or little things that you're using them on, because I'd definitely like to see that. And make sure you check out the Thingiverse page. The link is in the description below. And yeah, have fun, enjoy, and make on. And have a great day, great week. And we'll see you next time, eh? Take care.